Okay, there's the weeds. But there's also okay, here's this little side trail. Annie, do you know this park? I'm not going to show the kids on the play equipment, but you can read all these signs. Hey, Annie. And read all about the native plants. There's a cool little bench here. My husband was asking, like, why is it so steep or whatever? I said, I think it's designed that way to keep the unhoused from taking up residence there. But they redid this whole park so that it is much more accessible to the sheriff, so they can drive their vehicles in here and go look for people and get them out of here.
It's so good.
Yes, Mast Park. Hi. And there's awesome dog park here. There's a section for puppies, for small dogs, and large dogs. But let me show you. We can do it from here and not really see the kids, but there's a ton of play equipment over there. There's disc golf around the perimeter, not the perimeter, on that side of the park. And there's a vending machine where you can do all your fees and stuff for the disc golf. And then there's little literacy panels here. Very stroller friendly path, wheelchair friendly. You know what bugs me? When people with big dogs, they obviously, the dog is too big for them. Oh, let me show you the dog park. So here's the dog park. So cute benches shaped like dog bones. And you see here it has welcome to the off-leash dog park. But I was telling my husband they don't have snake-proof fencing. So I was a little nervous bringing our dogs recently because we're having an early snake season. And there's obviously a lot of, you could see mulch. So we just walked them around the park. But you could see they have dual fencing. So you walk in, close the gate, then walk to the other side and open the other gate to get yourself in. There's water for the dogs, trash cans, poo bags. This is the large dog park. And then the small dog park. And then on the other side of the small dog park is the puppy park. Now, in case you didn't know, even at the dog park, you have to be careful because people do not take care of their dogs. Yeah, people don't take care of their dogs, or dogs are not trained. They can attack and bite each other. So when we first go in, I like to leave my female dog. Both of our dogs are fixed, but I leave my female dog on the leash because she is more finicky. She isn't afraid if another dog is too much in her space. She will warn them, and other dogs sometimes don't recognize the warning, and they'll keep at it. And then, of course, what happens? A fight. My dogs haven't been in a fight, except one time when my dogs haven't been in a fight, except one time when he's like, yippee, they want to play. My female dog is like, oh, hell no. And she went after the other dog. Now, one of the dogs was a German Shepherd. One was a Yorkie. Which one do you think was the aggressor? The neighbor's dogs, the Yorkie. So then my male dog had gotten bitten, and my daughter came running back up to our house, and then I went down there yelling at the guy. He's like, what are you talking about? Acting like a total fucking dumbass. And I went off on him. Luckily, the bill was only like $150, and we just paid it because this idiot, like, we've lived in that neighborhood 20 something years. He's like, well, I don't live here. I live in Arizona. Those are my daughter's dogs. Oh my God, I was lighting into him like crazy. Yeah, the Yorkie, exactly. So anyways, we just paid the bill. Otherwise, it would have been, you know how you always see that shit on the TV about neighborhood gone bad? I would have been at small claims court, because there's no way this fool is going to convince me he lives in Arizona. He is the homeowner, no matter who lives at the house. So these guys right here, they're playing disc golf. And we're going to pretend like we are observing the fine sport of disc golf while I catch my breath. So you can see there's lots of shade. Before they redid this park, it was all like totally open and blazing hot. Now they redid it, so there's lots of shade, there's lots of benches, there's picnic areas. There's a huge picnic area like behind me, but it's kind of grown up with weeds. I'm surprised I see people sitting back there. Oh, you could see there's a truck actually going in. So that is the park. The huge improvements that they made at this park, because we do have a lot of homeless in San Diego in general. And so if they don't have the park patrol or the sheriff's department have in general, and so if they don't have the park patrol or the sheriff's department have access to the park, then the unhoused take up residence and hang out and stay in the park, and nobody wants that. Okay, let me share this out to my Discord. The park, and nobody wants that. Okay, let me share this out to my Discord. Welcome in, friends and neighbors. Whew. Okay. So I am walking. Oh, and my son, welcome, David. When I'm